This stitch does seem complicated, but it's not. In fact, it is one of the easiest ways to knit with several colors. So if you're new to color knitting or have never tried mosaic knitting before, come to the live online workshop tomorrow, Saturday, November the 1st at noon Eastern Time. We'll talk about the ins and outs of mosaic knitting as we learn this beautifully colorful reversible stitch together. As you see, the stitch is made with 3 colors, and of course this raises the issue of carrying unused strands up, because who wants to deal with a gazillion yarn tails, right? Not me, and I'm sure not you either. That's why at the workshop we'll learn a clever trick that allows us to carry the strands up so that they don't show on the right side of the fabric and don't create too much bulk. See, they're almost invisible. The workshop is free for all members of the 10 Rows a Day Club. If you're a member, the Zoom link is already in your inbox. If you're not a member yet, click the link in the description to join. I'll see you tomorrow.